Listening fill in the blanks.
Let's start.
The water cycle is the continuous movement of water on, above, and below the surface of the earth. It involves several processes, including evaporation, condensation, and precipitation. Water from oceans and lakes turns into vapor through evaporation, then forms clouds in the sky. When the clouds cool, water falls back to the earth as precipitation, such as rain or snow. This cycle is essential for maintaining life and the environment. Global warming refers to the gradual increase in the Earth's temperature due to excessive greenhouse gas emissions. Activities like burning fossil fuels and cutting down trees release gases like carbon dioxide and methane into the atmosphere. These gases trap heat, causing polar ice caps to melt and sea levels to rise. To combat global warming, we must reduce our carbon footprint by using renewable energy and adopting sustainable practices. Photosynthesis is the process by which green plants produce their food. It occurs in the presence of sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water. The chlorophyll in leaves absorbs sunlight and converts it into chemical energy. During this process, oxygen is released as a byproduct, which is essential for the survival of all living beings. Photosynthesis is vital for maintaining the balance of oxygen and carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. Two key technological developments in the late 1800s played a vital role in the evolution of television: the cathode ray tube and the scanning disc. The cathode ray tube, invented by German physicist Carl Ferdinand Braun in 1897, was the forerunner of the TV picture tube. It had a fluorescent screen that emitted a visible light, in the form of images, when struck by a beam of electrons. The scanning disc, invented by German inventor Paul Nipkow, was a large, flat metal disc that could be used as a rotating camera. It served as the foundation for experiments on the transmission of visual images for several decades. Diwali, or Deepawali, is India's biggest and most important holiday of the year. The festival gets its name from the row, Avali, of clay lamps, Deepa, that Indians light outside their homes to symbolize the inner light that protects from spiritual darkness. This festival is as important to Hindus as the Christmas holiday is to Christians. Over the centuries, Diwali has become a national festival that's also enjoyed by non-Hindu communities. For instance, in Jainism, Diwali marks the nirvana, or spiritual awakening, of Lord Mahavira on October 15, 527 BC. In Sikhism, it honors the day that Guru Hargobind Ji, the sixth Sikh guru, was freed from imprisonment. Buddhists in India celebrate Diwali as well. A person who loves reading books can never feel lonely or bored, as books are always there for his rescue. These can easily be carried on the go and can be read just anywhere. Books do not only help kill boredom and avoid feeling of loneliness, but also render knowledge. A person who reads different types of books and indulges in reading regularly is well-learned and worldly wise. He can handle various situations better compared to those who do not indulge in reading. Every day we talk with people. But have you ever wondered how two people with completely separate minds manage to understand each other? To have a successful conversation, you must understand the language that the other person is using and produce language that your conversational partner can understand, otherwise communicating can become difficult. One thing that human speakers do to make sure that the other person understands them is to copy the language that their conversational partners use, such as their word choices. This is called alignment, and it increases the likelihood of two people having a successful conversation or doing well on a shared task. Scientific experiments have shown that alignment is an important feature of human communication that occurs in multiple situations. In this article, we explain 3 different types of alignment that speakers use and describe how language scientists study alignment. Space exploration involves studying celestial bodies and phenomena beyond the Earth's atmosphere. The first human landed on the Moon in 1969 during NASA's Apollo 11 mission. Satellites orbit the Earth, collecting data about weather, communication, and navigation. Mars has become a key focus of exploration, with rovers collecting samples and searching for signs of life. Space agencies like NASA and private companies like SpaceX are working on missions to take humans to other planets. The solar system consists of the Sun, planets, moons, asteroids, and other celestial bodies. The Sun is at the center of the solar system and provides energy to all the planets. Earth is the 3rd planet from the Sun and is home to life. The largest planet in the solar system is Jupiter, while the smallest is Mercury. All planets orbit the Sun in elliptical paths. Renewable energy comes from natural sources that are replenished over time. Examples include solar energy from the sun, wind energy, and hydropower from flowing water. Unlike fossil fuels, renewable energy does not release harmful greenhouse gases, making it environmentally friendly. Investing in renewable energy technologies helps reduce dependence on non-renewable resources.